Hi, I'm Mateo with WTI. And since I started working out a couple years ago, I've been using this BulkSupplements Creatine Monohydrate. It has easily become one of the best additions to my fitness routine. The powder is pure, unflavored, and it dissolves very well, making it easy to mix into water, juice, or a protein shake. Personally, I like to mix it in half of a bottle of water before my workouts, and I've noticed real improvements in my strength, endurance, and muscle recovery since taking it consistently, especially in heavy lifting days. I have even noticed some improvements in mental focus and not feeling so tired during the day. It dissolves very well in water. Just adding the creatine to the bottle and shaking it well is enough to mix it up very well with the water. I think this is a great value for what you get, and that is my point of view.